I woke up this morning and when I looked at my mobile phone, I realized that after your statement last night on saying that you would be Pakistan's ambassador in Saudi Arabia, I looked at my mobile phone and I realized that, Your Highness, if you stood for elections in Pakistan, you would be able to get more votes than me. You are at the moment extremely popular, and I especially want to thank you for the 2,100 prisoners, Pakistani prisoners who were in Saudi jail, where you announced this morning that the prisoners will be freed. Again, on behalf of people of Pakistan, I want to thank you.